In the hidden depths of Hallownest, a young vessel wanders. It moves slowly among the grubs and glowing brood, pausing as if aware that it does not yet belong. But nature finds a way. From the stillness emerges allegiance. Silent yet resolute, allies stir into life. Tiny guardians bound by instinct, forming a living shield around their silent conductor. Now, amid chaos and conquest, the fully grown vessel stands at the heart of a hive reborn. The balance has changed. The wanderer is no longer alone.